Isaiah chapter 32 verse 3 to 8. May 18, 2025. Basahin natin ang talata na ito na nakasulat sa Biblia. The eyes of them that see shall not be dim, and the ears of them that hear shall hearken diligently. The fool shall no more be called prince, neither shall the disciple be called great, for the fool will speak foolish things, and his heart will walk iniquity, to practice hypocrisy, and speak of Yahweh deceitfully, and to make empty the soul of the hungry, and that take away the drink from the thirsty. The villain's ways are villainous, and he devises infamous plans to ruin the poor with lies, and deny justice to the needy. But the man of noble mind forms noble designs, and stands firm in his nobility. Isaiah chapter 32 verse 3 to 8. Mamayang 8:30 ng gabi sa aking YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng, ipapaliwanag ko ito ng detalyado at simple para ating maintindihang mabuti. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. God bless. Enjoy your weekends. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Comment, like, and share. And thank you for watching.